Today on my channel, okay, I'm opening the snack crate. If you can read it. And we have twice now. We did them twice now. And the first one we got it from, what was it from? Canada. And now the second one is a surprise. So today I'm gonna open it. Here I go. Finland. This one's from Finland. Let's get started. So first we have, if you can see,
chips. Broadway.
Next we have
sour cream and onion chips.
Moomin gummies.
Moomin fruit cans.
Next we have a soda.
Ooh, we got a drink?
It's called,
Here, I'll unwrap it for you.
it's more gummies. These, whatever they're called. If anybody, put that in the notifications if you know what those are.
Comments.
Huh?
You mean comments?
Yeah. They are called Thai skirts, peeber.
Turkish.
We got
Turkish pepper, hot and sour candies.
We got that.
I'm surprised it didn't melt. It's hot outside.
Next we got Sue original.
Yum, I love the chocolate stuff. Here's your drink. It's a Heffa or Jeffa. Hang on, it's a applecini.
Oh.
Jeffa applecini. So it must be some kind of apple juice.
Next we got more chips, hearts.
Hearts, corn snacks with nacho cheese flavor.
We got
So they're kind of like Doritos.
Soul Make.
Wow.
Next we got
No idea what that is. Jim.
Next we have
We got so much. This is bigger than the last box.
Gisa.
Oh, is it melted? That one's melted. Bummer.
This
Milk
one is
chocolate with hazelnut filling.
Next we got Tupla
I'll put it in the freezer.
Maxi. That's all we have.
Show
So
them the stuff it came with too.
here's the stickers. Here's the picture from Finland. Then the grape. So first I'm going to start with the soda. Okay guys, I'm back because I had to go use the bathroom. And I'm opening the soda right now.
Go ahead and open it.
Ooh.
Oh.
It's yellow.
It is like a soda. We probably should have refrigerated it first. Probably better cold.
Ew.
This tastes like.
You guys need to get this snack crate.
Is it good?
Get Finland. Try that soda. Try it.
Ooh. That's pretty good.
Okay, now we are going to try the hearts. Okay. If you want to know what they look like, up there.
Can I get one? We'll try them together. Thank you. Is it good?
Mm.
Oh my gosh, those are delicious. They're nothing like a Dorito. It's got like a ranch taste to it.
Get them.
Oh. Holy mackerel, those are good. So good. Okay, let's try the Broadway chips.
Now, those were so good. Now I'm going to try the Broadway chips. Well, today I'm only going to do the chips, and next video I'm going to eat all the candy. I can't open it.
Need help?
Like, yeah.
It's a very big bag, and it's not very full. Like, most of the bag's flat.
Let me try one. Let me try them. Let me try them. Here's what they look like.
This drink is very interesting. It's extremely citrusy.
Mmm. It's pretty good. Not that one.
Thank you. Those are good.
Basically all the chips are good.
Delicious. I love chips. Super good. I guess you can go ahead and open this. We'll see what this is. Just pull it right there and get the plastic off. What do you think it is? I think it's like mints or something.
I feel like it's like kind of like cigarettes.
That's what it looks like. It looks like candy cigarettes. Whoa, what is that? Chocolate?
Ew, they're hard.
Oh, I think they're like licorice.
What's that?
Here, hold out your hand. You can show the camera what they look like.
Here's what they look
They're
like.
like licorice gummies, I think.
Ooh.
Ew, that's terrible. Oh my god. That is nasty, guys.
Don't try those. No.
That's not licorice. I don't know what that is.
Now,
That's the grossest thing I've ever had in my mouth.
guys, this is our end of the video. I know it was short, very short. And next video we're gonna do all the candy. And bye. See you next video. Boing.